From that one out there is still the lunch vibe. It's a throwback Thursday, and you're watching Uganda Catholic Television. Thank you so much, anybody that has just joined in right now. You're doing such a great job. You can also tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell anybody out there to tune on to channel 412. That is on Go TV and as well on free to air Zuku and Azam. You can also get us right there. At this free time, I'm having a guest that has actually joined me, and we're going to be talking much about actually the product that probably many of you have seen it, but probably you don't know much about it. And I'm talking about Splash Kachupa, and I'm having actually the marketing executive who is going to be telling us more about this. Yes, good afternoon. First of all, you're looking smart.
Thank you so much.
Actually, the way you dressed, I may assume you just returned a few days maybe from, you know, the World Cup just got done a few days ago. Anyway, how is the going? How is the market like your occupation talks about?
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Martha Ayedo. I'm the marketing executive at Britannia Allied Industries Limited.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you know about Britannia. We've been there in the market for a while.
Yeah, definitely. I knew about it, but today you're going to tell me details about it, just like my viewers are actually waiting for it out there. So talking about this product, first of all, I was impressed with the branding, the packaging, and then the colors. You know, they say how much we grow up, but there are things that will always remain in us like babies. You see something shouting, you'll be like, oh, I think this is nice. And that's why actually I got to like this and also get about this. So for the person that is watching and maybe seeing this for the first time, can you tell us more about Splash Kachupa? What is Splash Kachupa, or who are they, talking about the whole brand of Britannia?
Splash Kachupa is our new ready-to-go drink.
Okay.
It's a drink because the market right now has a demand for ready-to-go drinks and PET bottles. So as Splash, a brand that has been existing for a while and we've been giving you quality products, we decided we need to also come up with a drink that will match the current market standards and the current trends. So that's when we came up with Splash Kachupa.
Okay. Is this the same Splash Kachupa I see in the bottles? I mean, on the box, or this is something different, or you just had to transfer something to be in the bottles? So
Splash is our mother drink.
Okay.
Everyone knows about Splash.
Yes.
So when we came up with Splash Kachupa, they are actually two different products.
Okay.
Splash Tetra Pak still exists, it's still being manufactured, but this is a different version, just the same company, but completely different products.
Why did you decide to relaunch Splash Kachupa, even when the other one, the mother one, is actually there as well? Why did you decide to relaunch this one?
So, as I said before, we wanted to come up, the PET market is saturated, and we wanted to have a share of that market as Britannia. So, we first launched Splash Kachupa a while back. We started with 3 flavors, that's mango, tamarind, and apple. Okay. So, it had been there for a while. But when we relaunched, our intention was to make sure that we are known in the market. We need everyone to know that, yes, Splash has a drink out there in the market called Splash Kachupa. And we also introduced a number of different flavors. Right now we have 6 different flavors. You have 6? 6 different flavors. That's mango, orange. That is my favorite. Mango. Yeah. Orange, yes. Tamarind, apple, grapes, and grapes and berries. Oh, that is really so wide. So has the relaunch increased the market, the price? Yes, the relaunch has helped with awareness. So many people have found out that, yes, Splash Kachupa is on the market. And people are asking for it. And you know, as Britannia, we make quality products. So that quality, we did not sleep on that when we were also coming up with Splash Kachupa. And people trust us, they've grown up with us. So when they heard that, yeah, we have a new product on the market, they were very interested. So this has also helped grow our market. Our produce, we hardly have any that remains in the factory when we produce. Demand is so strong. Okay, this one is probably a by the way question. I saw Kasuku being the brand ambassador. Why him of all the people that we know probably in this country? When you hear Kasuku relates to everyone. He relates to the CEO, he relates to the border guy, he relates to students. I mean, even me myself, I watch Kasuku. He's a flexible guy. So just like Kasuku, our drink, it relates to everyone. Kids can drink, Muslims can drink, Catholics can drink, CEOs can drink, a border guy can drink, yes.
So it suits everybody.
Yes, Splash Kachupa, yes.
All right, so this one now, have the prices changed a little bit from the original one? And in case they have changed, at what rates probably? So that somebody out there may not get cheated maybe.
Yeah, our prices, we have made our prices affordable because we want everyone to get a taste of Splash Kachupa. We have 2 different quantities. Right now here I have with me 250 ml.
Yeah,
we also have 400 ml. So this
still on the bottle, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So this 250 ml goes for 1,200. Then the 400 ml goes for 2,000.
Okay.
Yes.
So actually the taste is the same.
As?
Because some people may be like, maybe the one of the bottle tastes different from the other one. The taste is the same.
Yeah, the taste is exactly the same.
Okay. Now, assume I am maybe having a shop and I also want to receive the Kachupa one. Where do I get it from? Probably the easiest way I can get it for supply.
So if you are a distributor, you can reach out to us on our toll-free number, which I will be sharing with you. You can reach out to us and we distribute to you. But for everyday people, our drink is available in supermarkets and shops near you. Yes, the distribution is so strong, so do not sleep on it.
Oh, okay. Wow, that is interesting. So maybe for the person that might be out there, you know, I'm a parent. Now, when I show my child this, and they'll be like, okay, we do packing every morning, definitely. If maybe somebody has never even tested this, you know, there are people that have a lot of complications, health complications. Maybe I don't take sugars, I don't take this. What do you advise them? Can they as well consume this? Doesn't it affect them in any way? I mean, people who say we don't consume sugars, we don't consume this, or there is a specific flavor that can actually favor them, which is still part of Splash.
Splash is a healthy drink, but for people who do not consume sugar, I really don't know whether this is the drink for you because we have sugar in it. The health benefits, as usual, like fruits, to give you vitamin C, some fat, some protein, yes.
Yeah, because now when I see other, I was thinking maybe other flavors like tamarind. Maybe I can try that one since it has a lot of sugars. Maybe like grapes as well. Yeah,
they all have sugar, but as you know, different fruits have different benefits.
Okay.
So tamarind, yes, it helps out with a lot of health complications. So all that you will find in the tamarind drink.
In the tamarind drink?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that is nice. So, and then actually for the person that is out there, what I've actually got to realize, this one is actually 250 milliliters. Then there is a big one of 400.
Yes.
Then 400 milliliters. Is that a bigger one again than that one?
No, we only have 2 sizes for now.
Only 2 sizes for now. Okay, so this one I buy for the baby, then for me, the dad, I buy the big one, probably.
But you can also drink the same with the baby.
Okay. All right. So maybe for the person that is out there, in case you want to tell them more about Splash Kachupa, probably something that we have not touched about, you would actually use this time and talk to them much about it.
Yes. As I said, I'm Martha from Britannia. Britannia has been in Uganda for more than 35 years, giving you quality products. So when we brought this PET drink, it's easy to drink. It's you can carry it everywhere you want to go. Drink, cover again, then drink later. It's sealable, portable, and easy to drink. So just visit our social media channels also just to keep up with us because we are still launching new flavors and more interesting products.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have anything like a promotion on it or not yet?
Right now it's on promo. That's 1,200 because you know other fruit drinks are usually
I can get this at 1,200 right now.
Yes. Okay. Also different supermarkets. We are running different campaigns with different supermarkets to actually make it more affordable.
Okay.
So you might visit a supermarket and find it like at 1,000, at 900. The big one you might find it at 1,900 instead of 2,000.
Okay.
Yes. So all that is just to make sure that it's easily accessible to you out there.
For everybody out there.
Yes.
Okay, so parents like me, I think by now you should actually match the nearest supermarket and get yourself a Splash Kachupa and keep it in the fridge. I am sure it's friendly to the fridge because it's on promotion. You never know. Maybe with time it will switch to its normal price. And then it's good that it gets when you already have this. Do you also enjoy music?
Yes, I do.
Okay, which kind of music do you enjoy?
Right now, because however old I might look,
who says you look old?
I'm actually still a Gen Z,
okay.
so I like K-pop.
Oh, okay.
But then from back then, since it's Throwback Thursday,
it's Throwback Thursday. Yes.
I was into boy bands big time, so I liked One Direction.
Did you use like to mime at school back in the time?
I was the music consultant.
Wow. You used to write actually lyrics on the books.
No, like people used to bring their books for me to write.
For you to write for them. Okay, thank you. Which song would you love to listen to, probably from One Direction?
Right now, I feel like the best song ever.
The best song ever, all the way from One Direction.
Yes.
All right, for the person who is out there, thank you so much. I've been having Martha all the way from Britannia, and actually she has told us more about this new product. It's not very, very new. It's just new because it's now on the bottle. You've been so used to it, the Mother Splash, but now this one is Splash Kachupa. Affordable. You can also get this size at only 1,200 shillings on promotion, and the big one of 400 milliliters, you can also get it at 2,000 Uganda shillings. It has very many flavors, 6 flavors. There is mango, orange, grapes, and then apple, tamarind.
Grapes
I think women love apple. I don't know why, they just love apple naturally. All right, so you can also get it affordable from your nearby shop, nearby supermarket out there. Thank you so much. In the case of anything, I will actually have you again here, and you give us probably, in case you unveil any new product again. All right, thank you. Let's go and listen and hear this song all the way from One Direction, as requested by my guest all the way from Britannia. That is best song ever, all the way from One Direction. We shall be back.